So welcome to the Refractive OR at the Eye Foundation Coimbatore. This is the Visumax 800 which offers the Smile Pro treatment. Now this is a femtosecond laser, which means that it will deliver a very precise laser onto your cornea, which helps to carve a disc-shaped structure called a lenticule. We remove this lenticule through a very small opening, which is just 2 millimeters, and correct the power of the cornea. Now how this is different from the earlier Visumax 500 is that this is the patient's bed where the patient lies comfortably. In the earlier model, we used to move the patient to the laser, but in this, we move the laser to the patient, which makes it faster, easier, and reduces the sense of anxiety that the patient would have. So this is what will deliver the laser onto your eye. So we have what is called a patient interface. This is the cone-like structure which will deliver the laser onto your eye. It's what connects this laser arm to the cornea of the eye. Now you'll be able to see here that it's actually a curved interface which fits beautifully on the contour of the cornea and gives a very gentle pressure to hold the eye still while the laser is being done. Another thing about the Visumax 800 is that the laser treatment is very quick. It's just 8 to 10 seconds. The earlier ones were 30 seconds, which made it longer, and this is much more comfortable and is easier for the patient to fix it.